Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. A friend of mine gifted me this sunscreen earlier in the year through his mom, but I had something I was using at the time, so I didn't start using it immediately. This Bali Body SPF 50 plus sunscreen comes in a range of products which comprises of the body sunscreen, which is the one I'm going to review on this channel, the face sunscreen and the spray. This is a lightweight SPF 50 plus sunscreen with broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection for everyday use. This sunscreen is non-greasy, has a dry touch formula that absorbs quickly into the skin, and I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but it has a water resistance up to 4 hours. It's also enriched with vitamin E to help soothe the skin, and aloe vera gel to boost moisture and smooth skin. So this sunscreen is made in Australia. It's not a Japanese product or a Korean product, as most sunscreens that we use is an Australian product, and for me personally, I like it. I've dealt a lot with sunscreens that have white cast, and one of the things I look out for in sunscreen is whether or not it leaves white cast, and clearly this one does not leave white cast, and it's also fragrance free for people who react to products that or cosmetics that have fragrance. So this particular SPF is fragrance free. The size of this sunscreen is 150 ml, and the price ranges from between 10 to 15k naira in Nigeria, depending on the vendor you're getting from. For me, I didn't feel uncomfortable using this sunscreen. It felt lightweight and it also didn't sting my eyes. So if you've used this sunscreen before, let me know what you experienced. And if you're yet to use the sunscreen, based on my personal experience, I recommend this sunscreen. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly consider subscribing. See you on my next video.